Anup, happy 50th and many, many more.
Many happy returns of the day, Anup, on your 50th birthday, half century, and wishing you many more years of happiness and good health and joy. Have fun. Bye.
So Anup, this is a very, very special time. You're very special to me because not just the years in Motorola, especially Freescale, but you were the one who jumped into setting up your own thing in Madras, and that inspired me to follow suit. So that part is very special for me. So wish you a very successful journey. I know how passionately you hold Mithras close to your heart. All success with it. And any other ventures that you might get into, you never know. You have a whole variety of interests. A very, very happy 50th birthday and a lot more to come for you.
Hi Anup, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I've had the pleasure of knowing you for a long time, and you are a person who is not just a wonderful human being, but a great friend, wonderful father, husband, entrepreneur, and a lot of good qualities in you, and lots of potential to do even more. So today, when I'm wishing you, what's coming to my mind is your very zestful dance on Bhajan Karenge at your home, which is just stuck in my head. It was so enthusiastic and such a rhythmic dance that I cannot forget it. I hope you do that dance on your birthday. I wish we could all get together if this lockdown was not there, but we'll do it someday. So may the birthday be great and the next 50 may be even better than the last 50. So have a wonderful birthday. Enjoy yourself.
मेरे प्यारे दोस्त अनूप, a very happy 50th बर्थडे फॉर यू। दोस्त, मुझे याद है जब मैं पहली बार आपसे मिला था 1987 में, और उस पर मैंने दो लाइनें भी लिखी है। उम्र थी 17 साल था 1987, सरल व्यक्तित्व, दृढ़ निश्चय और हल्की सी हंसी, ये थे हमारे दोस्त अनूप बंसल। जो पहली बार मैं आपसे मिला था, I could feel in your eyes the determination to make a difference, and you have always been unconventional, and you have taken the path which was not well trodden. So you went from civil engineering to electrical engineering in college, and then when you came to US, you went back to India, started your own company, and then I could see that your kids, both of your sons, have got your determination to make a difference. So it has always been a pleasure. I've got some memories of our time together, and I'm just going to share a couple of them. I do remember that in college when Mukesh, I and Kantilal were all in the same department, and you used to get the best grades, and just you could understand some problems at a much higher level than us. And I was really impressed that I could never understand, I could never figure out how you did that. And then when you went back to India from US, I could not comprehend. And then when I met you in Bangalore a couple of years earlier, when you were really thinking about your company Mithras and how it will grow, and the kind of planning and the thought process that you had, it was pretty impressive. And then we met again during the Silver Jubilee reunion, and we rekindled our own memories. So it was just amazing, man, and it's a real pleasure to know you. I wish you the very best, and thanks to Sunny to reach out to me. I just want you to be happy and be successful the way you are, and to see the next 50 years, to see you grow and in happiness, wealth, and health. So take care, my friend. A happy 50th and a salute to you and your spirit. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Anu, hi Jyoti. Wish both of you a very happy 50th birthday, a big milestone. Looks like yesterday we met, and our friendship goes long way. Looking forward to see both of you and have a party together. Take care.
Happy birthday, Anoop. So it's 50 now. You've crossed a milestone. Next, what are you aiming for? Another marathon? Or a trip to US, Europe? Or come over to Gurgaon? We'll have loads of fun here. Anyways, enjoy your birthday. Have a great time. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Anoop.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
अनूप, आपको 50वीं वर्षगांठ पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आपके खुशहाल दीर्घ जीवन की हम सभी कामना करते हैं.
जन्मदिन के ये खास लम्हे मुबारक, आंखों में बसे नए ख्वाब मुबारक, जिंदगी जो लेकर आई है आपके लिए वो तमाम खुशियों की सौगात मुबारक. हैप्पी बर्थडे अनूप.
Hi Anup, happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. Hope you enjoy it with your family.
Hi Anup, wish you a very happy 50th birthday and many more happy returns of the day. We are so happy that Sunny asked us to be part of this celebration for you. Hope you have a wonderful day, Anup. Happy birthday.
Hi Anup uncle.
Hi Anoop.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Have a wonderful birthday.
Hope you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Take care.
Stay safe. Hope to see you soon.
Congrats on your half century, Anup, and happy 50th birthday. Thanks to your fitness and discipline, you're like 25 at 50. You're a fantastic friend to have, a rare combination of a kind heart and a strong mind, strength and sensitivity. You have always been an inspiration for all of us, excelled at all your roles. I've learned so much working with you and so many wonderful moments and memories of building Mitras together. I'm sure with your creativity and enthusiasm and curiosity, the next 50 are going to be as exciting as ever.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anup uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Dear Anup, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Have a really awesome one.
Wish you very happy birthday Jijaji. May Shri Mataji bless you with all happiness in your life. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday Jijaji. Look forward to seeing you very soon and let's party very soon. Happy birthday.
Hey Anup, many happy returns of the day and may you are blessed with all the wonderful and adventurous things in your life. Best wishes for your future ventures too, all your future ventures. Happy birthday once again.
प्रिय और आदरणीय अनूप जी को उम्र के 50वें स्वर्णिम वर्ष में प्रवेश करने पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और बहुत बधाई. आप निरंतर गतिमान गतिशील बने रहें, यही मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है. अनुपम हैं अनूप आप, अनुपम आपके व्यक्तित्व की छाप, प्यारी बहना ज्योति का प्रकाश आप, परिवार के लिए बरकत की छांव आप, भ्राता मुकेश के प्रिय सखा आप, फ्रांसु के प्रथम मार्गदर्शक आप, हम सबके अभिमान आप, स्वयं अपने भाग्य के निर्माता आप, कर्तव्य पथ पर निरंतर गतिमान रहें आप. अनुपम हैं अनूप आप. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं कहूँगा कि आप जीवन में बहुत उन्नति करें और आपकी हर मनोकामना ईश्वर पूरी करे. बहुत शुभकामनाएं. बधाई बधाई बधाई.
हेलो अनूप भैया, कैसे हैं आप? और आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत मुबारकबाद एंड थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग सच ए नाइस financial planner and mentor for all of us and successfully completing your half century and hope it continues for another few centuries to come. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday Babu Bhaiya.
Happy birthday भैया.
Today you are turning 50. Knowing the person that you are today, I know 50 is just a number for you. No one can believe your age. You are so young at heart and you look so young too. I am so proud of you, the person you have become through great determination and persistence. You are the perfectly fit to mentor, to help others, build their dreams and live their great lives. Time does seems to fly when it is filled with adventures, and you are the most adventurous person I know. Keep enjoying every moment of your life. This is the perfect time when you can do all the things which you always wanted to do. So think of all the things which you couldn't do earlier because of your busy schedule. I'm sure you can complete the second half with the same attitude and zeal. Your natural charm has not aged. Stay true to who you are. Few lines to wish you on your special day. लाइफ का हर गोल रहे क्लियर, तुम सक्सेस पाओ विदाउट एनी फियर, हर पल जियो विदाउट एनी टीयर, एंजॉय योर लाइफ माय डियर। इतनी सी दुआ कबूल हो जाए, तुम्हें मिले जन्मदिन पर लाखों खुशियाँ, और जो भी तुम चाहो रब से वो पल भर में मंजूर हो जाए। May the golden year bring you closer to actualizing all your life dreams. Enjoy the life to the fullest. Happy birthday to you, Anu.
Happy 50th birthday, Papa. You're like half a century old now. We can't wait to hear all the dad jokes that come along with it. Just don't let there be too many of them. On this momentous occasion, I guess I want to thank you for all that you do for us, all the experience that you pass on to us. You're honestly a very inspiring role model to grow up around, because you show us that the learning process never really stops when you're constantly learning new things and trying out new experiences. And you do it with such unmatched enthusiasm that it shows that you're still so young at heart. The hair is a nice addition, of course, but it does show that however old you get biologically, it doesn't determine what you can and what you cannot do. I love how understanding and considerate you are, how reasonable you always are. You are honestly the most respectable person that I know, and there's not much that I can add on to that. I didn't write anything down because I wanted whatever I said to come impulsively, so I want to end it with stay young and I love you, Papa. Happy birthday again.
आदरणीय श्री अनूप जी को सर्वप्रथम 50वीं जन्मदिन की कोट कोट बधाई। आपकी प्रशंसा करना तो सूर्य के सामने दीपक का वर्णन करना जैसा है। आपकी सहजता, सहनशीलता एवं शांत स्वभाव अनुकरणीय है। आप में सूर्य जैसी तेजस्विता, चंद्रमा जैसी शीतलता बिरले ही व्यक्तियों में रहती है। श्री माता जी ने आपको सकारात्मक गुणों से परिपूर्ण किया हुआ है। आप सदैव स्वस्थ एवं ऊर्जावान रहें। व्यक्ति अपने आप को कैसे ऊंचाइयों तक अपनी कर्तव्यनिष्ठा एवं ईमानदारी से शीर्ष तक पहुंचा सकता है, उसका ज्वलंत उदाहरण आप हैं। पुनः जन्मदिन की बधाई। आपका स्नेहमयी पापा।
आदरणीय परम गौरवशाली स्नेही हमारे प्रिय चिरंजीव अनूप जी को जीवन के 50वें जन्म दिवस पर पदार्पण के लिए हमारी अनंत हार्दिक कोटि शुभकामनाएं। आप यशस्वी हों, आयुष्मान हों, सदा स्वस्थ और सुखी रहें। आपके लिए पुनः आपके जन्म दिवस की हमारी बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ।
Thank you, Balli, for giving me a wonderful opportunity to be part of this special celebration of Anoop's life. Congratulations, Anoop, on your 50th birthday. What a great opportunity to stop and reflect on how much you have achieved so far in life. Your first 50 years on earth have been pretty incredible. So I can't wait to see what you get up to in the next 50. Your journey from Mumbai to Motorola to Madras to Mount Everest and every stop in between is worth cherishing and reliving. कौन कहता है कि 50 में जंग लगता है? अरे बाय बाय करो यार। कौन कहता है कि 50 में जंग लगता है? देखो अनूप कितना भोला और यंग लगता है। दोस्त वही, बातें वही, चाहने वाले वही, बस पैंट थोड़ा तंग लगता है। As some of you may know, I met Anoop 33 years ago. Hard to believe that 33 years have passed. It feels like few years ago. There was something special in this person that attracted me to him, which is hard to describe. He was sincere, genuine, kind, smart, helpful, and not to mention very handsome. बहुत से किस्से, बहुत सी कहानियाँ, बहुत से अनुभव, कुछ यादें. यदि बोलने लग जाऊँ तो रात बीत जाएगी, पर 2-4 बात आपसे ज़रूर शेयर करना चाहूँगा. Anup was in great demand. Lot of girls used to like him. इसलिए हम उसके पीछे लगे रहते थे कि यदि अनूप ने किसी को रिजेक्ट किया तो शायद अपनी भी किस्मत खुल सकती है. पर हमारी किस्मत के बारे में हम आपसे बाद में बात करेंगे. Anup was a very brilliant person. Not that he is not now. Anup was in civil engineering, which was considered a not so great branch back then. With his hard work and genius, he changed to electrical branch, and it was a very big deal at IIT. And by the time he graduated, हम सबको उसने पछाड़ के रख दिया. I used to think that IITians don't have a sense of dressing and fashion, etc. But man, you are so cool, Anup. Because of poor internet connectivity, Versace and Gucci didn't discover Anup on time. Otherwise, he could have been a world-famous model. He used to be a favorite student of the professors. I don't know how he managed. Some professor just give me marks because I was Anup's friend. He used to be such a great singer and movie fan. He could recite all the famous dialogues like he was the actor. He never stopped. He was bold to leave his very cushy job at Motorola to start a company in a totally different field. The rest is a history. He's a trailblazer. और क्या बताएं, अनूप तो माउंट एवरेस्ट की भी चढ़ाई करके आ गए हैं. धीरज धर्म मित्र अरुनारी आपद काल परखिए चारी. Patience, good karma, friend and wife. These are put to test only in times of adversity. You make a lot of friends when life is good, but when things are not good, only your true friends stand by you. And I can tell you that if it were not for Anup, I don't know if I would be standing here today. In this Chaupai, Tulsi Das ji mentioned wife and friend in the same sentence because these two share a lot of common traits. जैसे दोस्त और बीवी को दोनों को कभी विश्वास दिलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, क्योंकि दोस्त कभी शक नहीं करता और बीवी कभी यकीन नहीं करती. Did you know that Boeing 747 and Concorde made their first flight in 1970 after Anup is born to celebrate his arrival? लोग कहते हैं कि जमी पर किसी को खुदा नहीं मिलता. शायद उन लोगों को आप जैसा कोई दोस्त नहीं मिलता. आप स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, दोस्तों के साथ व्यस्त रहें. Anup, you are an inspiration to all of us. May your future be bright and full of many blessings.
Wish you happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Anup. Welcome to the 50s Plus Club.
विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे अनूप. सेंचुरी का फर्स्ट हाफ क्रॉस करके सेकेंड हाफ में एंटर होने जा रहे हो. मैं विश करती हूँ कि ये सेकेंड हाफ भी अपनी बेटर हाफ के साथ हंसी खुशी निकले. वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे.
कोई तुमको देख के बोल ही नहीं सकता है कि अभी 50 हो गए. चब्बी चीक्स और डिम्पल चीक्स को देख के कभी भी 25-26 साल के कोई यंग मैन कई इमेज मेरे दिमाग में बनी हुई है. फिर मिलेंगे तो देखते हैं 50 के हुए कि नहीं रियली. चलो, एंजॉय द बर्थडे एंड टॉक टू यू सून.
Hello Anupja ji. I just wanted to say that you are the best and I'm so thankful to God that I have got someone like you who always guided me in tough times. I can always rely on you. May you have a long and happy life and continue to be blessings to others. Have a great and joyful day today. Happy birthday, many, many, many happy returns of the day.
Wish you a
Wish you very happy birthday, Jijaji. Have a great time, have a great celebration, and hope you'll always be happy and as successful as always. Happy birthday!
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anup. And as we expected, Jyoti was here and she somehow figured out that something is going on, and she exactly came in when I was making a video just to wish you, and so I couldn't do it. She asked me like, how do you know Anup's birthday is coming up? And I think she guessed it. So I think it's always fun with Jyoti and you're having a lot of fun, and that's how it is, the rest of the life is going to be. And I really wish you're the best couple that I know in campus, and the couple that I admire, and you're made for each other. And as such, I really like the way of you looking at things and how you see people, and the way you don't get upset with anybody, and the way you don't control people, and the many things that I've noticed. And it's really nice, and you're one of the good friend and my best friend's husband. So wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hey Anup, wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed, be happy, enjoy your life. Hope you have a great birthday during the lockdown. Have fun.
Hi Anu, wish you a very happy quarantine birthday. Have a good day and a great year ahead.
Bye bye. Have fun. Take care.
50th birthday बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your birthday.
Hello Anu, how are you? कैसे हो? Wish you very very happy birthday. It's a landmark birthday. Enjoy your day, and may this birthday bring you lots of happiness, good health, and just enjoy your day. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, dear Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Anup ji.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अनु, बहुत बहुत जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं. खूब अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करना, और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है तुम्हारा बर्थडे है आज. थैंक यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दादू दादी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अनूप जी, आपको 50वां बर्थडे बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. जीवन में कभी ना आए गम, जीवन में कभी ना आए सिकन, सारे गम हो रोशन रोशन. हम करते हैं लगभग अभिनंदन, हम करते हैं लगभग अभिनंदन. आपको 50वां बर्थडे बहुत 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 मुबारक. आप लोगों की जोड़ी सब वैसे ही बनी रहे, हंसते मुस्कुराते रहे. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत शुभाशीष.
Hello Anup, happy birthday.
Hello Anup, happy birthday.
Happy birthday uncle.
Happy birthday uncle.
So heartiest congratulations on your 50th birthday. It is really amazing milestone in life, and wish you many more years to come. It has been almost 15 years since we know you. I'm really thankful to God who has given me a wonderful friend like you. We have such a great memory. Even though it's almost 15 years, it feels like as if like yesterday. So anyway, just enjoy your day, and once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear जीजू. मेरे प्यारे प्यारे जीजू को किसी की नजर ना लगे. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear जीजू. जन्मदिन की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं आपको जीजू। आप बहुत खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, व्यस्त रहो, स्वस्थ रहो और खूब तरक्की करो। दामन में हो खुशियाँ हजार, महके बगिया सनी आशु साथ, दीदी के साथ हो प्यार ही प्यार, सबकी दुआएं कबूल करो आज। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू डियर जीजू। लव यू जीजू, लव यू।
Happy birthday, uncle.
Happy birthday, Anup.
Happy birthday,
This is
Anup.
your special birthday, and we wish you all the best. You are our best friend, and whatever you're doing, we always think the best for you. Always remember you. Although we are not meeting very often or not talking, but you are always in our mind.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Anup. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Dad, can't believe you're 50 now. You only seem to age backwards. I think it's safe to say you're basically my elder brother now, especially because you always keep up with the latest trends, always trying to see what all the kids are up to these days. It's truly amazing. Since you blew out my candles on my fourth birthday, I'm going to use this opportunity 20 years later to seek revenge. I can't do this in person, but I'm going to blow out your candles for you. Well, that was 20 years in the making. Happy birthday. I hope you take in a moment to just take in everything that you've done and everything you've accomplished. Also, to prep yourself to figure out what's the next big thing and how you're going to do it. We're really proud of you. Sorry I couldn't make it. Hopefully we can hang out very soon. Love you. Bye.
Anup ji, wish you a fun-filled, joyous, fabulous 50th birthday. May you enjoy your day and have a great and wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday Anup भैया, many happy returns of the day.
Start
Happy birthday.
आगे बोलो ताऊ जी.
ताऊ जी.
Happy
birthday. Happy birthday returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anup.
Uncle.
Happy birthday to you.
Woohoo!
Yay! Riyansh, do you want to sing for Uncle?
Sing.
Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, that was a nice one. So you know Riyansh, Anup Uncle is a very special person, right? क्यों सोनिया?
Yes.
बताओ अनूप अंकल के बारे में.
As I know that Anup uncle is very smart. He helps all in need and I hope he gets all his wishes complete.
And you know today is his 50th birthday. 50
Really?
years.
He's bigger than you, Papa.
Yeah, he definitely is bigger than me, and he
So
will.
he
Let him
should
wait
be
for
your
that.
boss.
Okay, yeah, he's my boss as well. So you know, Anup uncle and us, we used to enjoy a lot. We used to go to Serengeti, right?
Oh yes.
बहुत पार्टियां की हमने Serengeti में. और सोनिया वो याद है? जहाँ हम गए थे कुन्नूर.
Yes.
Yes.
Elephants.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And so we had fun. You were not born, Rita. And it was amazing experience in Bangalore.
Also, Kailash, remember we had celebrated your birthday when it was not your birthday.
Yeah, that's true. Anup, you are a very special person. And wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Sonia?
Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday, Anup. You are definitely the best and a great inspiration for all of us. Happy birthday.
Uncle, as your name is Anup Uncle, if I would say uncle, I know that U stands for, let's say, an awesome word, and then N stands for, does anyone have an idea for N?
A stands for awesome. N stands for
Naughty.
U stands for
Understanding.
and P stands for
Perfect.
perfect.
Of course.
Yes.
Anup, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anup.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Hello JG, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Hope this day is going to be a very special one for you that will refresh you a lot of old memories of all the near and dear ones. You remember we met for the first time in early 90s at IIT hostel when I came to visit Mukesh Bhaiya. That time I had never thought in my dreams that our relationship is going to be such a close one and that I could look up to you for any kind of advice in life, whether it be career or financial planning. That time itself, when I met you for the first time, I became a huge fan of yours. Later on, when we became co-brothers, I got to know you better and found you to be a man of charisma. The singer in you displays the emotional side of yours, whereas the entrepreneur in you displays leadership quality as well as mentor to many people. Your passion for fitness has always been a role model to me. So once again, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy this day and hope the situation in country becomes better soon so that we can all meet together and enjoy party hard. Cheers.
Hi Jiju, since I'm not there with you on your 50th birthday, I'm sending this virtual gift, which is the most sanitized gift that I could think of during this lockdown. I know you don't like celebrating your birthday because you're too humble to have a day about you. But come on Jeeves, it's milestone birthday and you absolutely deserve an entire day all about you. It's the man, the myth, the legend, and an amazing person's birthday. Gosh, I have so many things to say, but for now, I will just say a few words. You have been the best person a family could ever have. We can rely on you to help us take any decision and to be always there for all of us. Hey, you're getting older as the days pass by. But trust me, you don't look a day over 30. 30. Seriously. Well, eating nutritious, healthy food, intermittent fasting, jogging and gymming are all really paying off. You are the gift both to me and to everyone around you. Thanks for all that you have done till now. Loads and loads of good wishes on your special day, my dear, dashing, dynamic and handsome Jiju. Love you. Dun, dun. Happy birthday.
Anupji, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Always be happy, prosperous and always you are such a fine man and yet to see such a man. I really love you, adore you and भगवान आपको बहुत सुखी रखे, बहुत सुखी रखे आपको, आपके फैमिली को.
Anup ji, you have got, because of all these qualities, I too adore you and
love you.
Love you. God has put so many good qualities in just one person. That is you, Anup ji. And I feel your parents had premonition about you. That is why they named you as Anup, which means incomparable. God bless you. आज आपका 50th बर्थडे, उसकी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हम दोनों की तरफ से, बल्कि पूरे परिवार की तरफ से। और अगर ये कोविड-19 ना होता तो शायद हम लोग साथ मिलकर के मनाते और बहुत अच्छी तरह से मनाते। अभी तो क्वारंटाइन में सब लोग फंसे हुए हैं और ये जो है दिस इज ओनली हाफ मार्क फॉर यू। आई एम श्योर यू विल रीच a century because the way you are taking care of your mental and physical health, you will definitely reach a century mark. I wish you that.
Happy birthday, Anup!
Hi Anup. Officially, welcome to the Senior Citizen Club. You are no longer left behind. You joined many of your other friends from back in the years in the Senior Citizen Club. Now, things may be a little harder than it used to be before, but still, you get to enjoy this moment. Enjoy while it lasts. May the next 50 years be as wonderful or even better than the last 50 years have been. I wish I could be there in person to celebrate with you, but I'm sending my regards remotely.
I want to conclude with these few lines, so please bear with me.
मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के। यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना।
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया। दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे। तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ आता है गुस्सा मुझे।
Great.
Why do you put on an accent every time you're on video?
I know, right? Who puts on accent?
You.
Me. I'm feeling great.
See?